Hello guys, and yeah, we are back. This is the Norcraft, and yeah,
Hello.
we're just mining some cobble. Yup,
Yup. Just mining some cobble.
I think I've got enough now.
All day. Okay, I'm done. Okay.
So I'll... Oh, it's
Shit.
getting dark again soon.
Oh, okay. Oh, is
Where's
that your generate? No, I'm in a XP thing.
Yeah, it's supposed to be that.
Okay, so I'll finish my bridges before night falls.
Yup.
Before night falls upon us. Because then you're gonna have a really bad time.
Yup. Where are you? Oh, there.
I'm in the jungle.
No, you're on the road. Or... yeah.
Okay.
I'm almost dead.
Dead.
Yup.
Okay. Oh, I should stop saying it. Okay.
It's irritating.
It's awesome.
No, it's irritating.
It's awesome.
Okay, now I'm on level 12, or
3.
from the bottom.
Okay.
I mean 12.
12. Level 12.
I said
12.
12, I think.
12.
12.
12.
No, I'm not really sure. Okay, and I'm 14.
What the fuck, man?
16.
Oh, the creeper almost came at me, bro. I should watch
18.
my back.
Yeah.
Oh no. Not today, boy. Not today.
20.
Oh, there's a
I
creeper.
guess I'll
Whoa!
go to 21.
Oh my god. Is the creepers afraid of oh, they are. Oh shit, no. Ocelot
What?
just scared a creeper against me. So he's following me now. Oh, that sucks. No, I can't get back. I'm trapped.
How far can I fall down before I'm dying?
With full health.
Yeah.
24 or 23.
Then I should be able to survive this. Should I try?
Oh. Look at me. Have to get past this creeper.
Yeah, I see.
Hey, look. This is epic. Look at me now.
I'm watching.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh shit! I didn't see that.
But you
Little boy
can't see
there.
the creeper, so...
Oh shit! Is the creeper behind me? Oh shit!
I'll hope I will survive.
We
Oh,
should
survived
we should
with
have
one heart.
ocelots everywhere to
Have
scare
what?
the creepers. That would be awesome. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
I was just counting what level I was on.
You have to count. Oh, that
Yeah.
kind of level. Okay, the creeper is, what? Oh, sorry.
I said what?
I'm sorry, boy. I made it possible so the creepers can jump. Oh shit, no.
What you doing? Why are you letting creeper into our farm?
No, because they jumped on the fence and then into the...
Don't let him explode, cause then I'll have to kill him.
How kill him?
I don't know.
Well,
Okay,
he
I
kills
will
himself.
survive. Boom.
Okay, I made it. Okay, I'm gonna make it impossible to jump over there. Oh. What? No! Sheeps, stay inside, you mother... Oh shit. Oh shit.
What you doing, man?
Oh, I get messages. Maybe it's something important. I have to check it out. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, be right back.
No! crap. I'll get some buckets or I'll grab all. I really hope I'm not dying now because I'm wearing all the buckets.
Oh,
Okay.
you should not. Oh, damn, damn, boy.
I should make a bow.
Oh shit.
You better light up that place.
Yeah. I told you we should play on Moody. Do it.
You have to light it up, not me. You're the one who set this up.
That means I have to light up the whole place.
I lighted up this place.
Well, you did it poorly, I think, because you had bright.
Oh, we have 15 gunpowder.
You do understand why I say you have to play on Moody when you're placing torches?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
So, why no?
Um,
Okay, I'm gonna fish that fish over the fish. Oh, zombie.
we have 22 gunpowder.
22 gunpowder.
But what? I forgot what I was supposed to find.
What the wow. Holy shit.
A bow.
I'm gonna die. Oh, fuck. Oh, I lost all my melons.
You lost what?
Melons? I think that was everything. I'm not sure. It really terrifies me to not know what I lost. So,
Okay.
oh shit, can you help me? Please help me. Do you have. Oh no. What the fuck? All my stuff is gone. Well, probably just a server bug thing. Yeah, it is. It is. I can pick up all this shit now.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Oh, I have to use my sword. My sword is so bows. What?
I just killed a spider.
Shit, I'm gonna die again. So dead again. I'll get the rest of my stuff later. I just have to close this door and yep.
Oh my god, he survived.
Wow, this is really bad. Holy fuck. Hey yo, Matt.
What?
A skeleton shot the creeper right in front of the farm. But luckily it didn't explode.
Okay.
That was scary as
You
hell.
scared the hell out of me. I thought the whole farm was destroyed.
Yup.
Okay.
Okay, so we should make a bed now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of white wool. I'll make 2 beds now.
Okay.
Okay, come
Just
sleep now.
I have to climb up first with the water.
Hurry up, you. Yeah.
Almost there.
We haven't made a house yet.
I don't care.
Okay, I put the beds here.
Yeah, I
Come
made
on,
it.
go sleep now. Now. Do it now.
I'm on the top, so
Do it now.
I'll come down now.
How high is it?
Or it's getting day now, so.
Hurry up, so we can have a spawn point. Hurry up, come on, let's go. Go sleep. Wow.
Okay.
Good. Burn
Cacti
in.
have
Burn in daylight, you mofos. Ooh. Whoops. Oh,
So what?
I almost lost 1,000 sheeps. Oh, it's good to see all these people die. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, let's get my
What have
stuff.
you done while I have been over here?
I think I lost all my shit.
No.
I think I lost a whole lot of cobble. What? Run back and forth.
Okay, that was sketchy.
What happened?
Bandicam just stopped recording because I had recorded in 10 minutes and you can only record 10 minutes with the free version.
Okay.
So, and I was climbing on the edge and Minecraft post, if you know what I mean. You know,
Okay.
when you press escape. So I thought I was supposed to fall off. So that would be terrible. Oh, there's obsidian there.
Okay, hi. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, I think I'm gonna make a tree farm.
Okay.
And a whole lot of... Okay.
I'm just expanding this thing.
This thing.
Okay, we're gonna need a lot of cobble to finish this.
Why?
And
Oh.
when I say a lot, I mean a lot.
Okay. Okay. What?
What?
Lol, Mela just appeared in front of me after I just mined it.
Okay.
So, yeah. That was...
You thought it was lag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Can you say 3 in English?
3.
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause... Oh, not if you can say, but is it allowed to say that?
3.
Yeah, instead of 3. 3.
That sounds... not legit.
I heard a lot of people saying in 3 instead of 3.
Okay.
And I hate pronouncing 3
3.
in English.
Gotta be a pro.
It's so hard.
3.
And 3 is much easier.
3. No, 3 is harder.
I don't think
It
so.
sounds more like tree. So
I like saying 3 instead of 3.
You shouldn't.
But I do.
Okay.
Okay, what are you doing? What you doing?
Making awesome bridges or to the village.
Okay.
Awesome.
And by the way, if you're watching this episode and probably the next and maybe the next after that, you will get a free what's called?
No.
The K-Buster is always saying that.
What is he saying?
What's called?
Oh, I thought you were saying that.
Yeah, I said it right now, but the K-Buster is
Well,
always saying that.
Well, what are you talking about?
Yeah, but you will get a tutorial on how to make a XP grinder. So.
Are you gonna make a tutorial?
No, I'm making it right now, you know. I'm building it in front of camera so people can watch it.
Oh, you're making another one?
Yes, over here.
Oh, so we have 2 now.
Oh my god, you're stupid.
Yeah.
I'm making one right now, you know.
We have already made one.
No, we don't.
What? We do.
No.
We did. In
Yeah.
episode 3.
What? What are you talking about?
You mean in you and K-Busters?
No. Oh my god, you're confusing me.
No.
Yes, you are.
We already made a thing. Or XP grinder.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he was talking about cobblestone generator.
No.
Well,
I've been talking of XP Render all the time.
Okay.
So yeah, here you get here you got tutorial on how to make one.
Yup.
I can tell you guys how to make one. You have to be on layer, or if you're down there, or from down there and up here, yeah, there is 21 blocks. So then the zombies will have about 1.5 life left.
Half-Life.
Yep.
Episode 2.
And the water floods 7 blocks, or yeah, I think. So then you have to make it 7 wide, like I'm doing right now. No, it's 8, so I can test it in a minute.
Okay.
Should I make it look nice or not so very nice?
Are you thinking about including wood?
Beautiful. No.
It's beautiful.
Using more cobblestone than I need to use.
Not now. Do it later or something.
I have to do it now, cause
Yeah.
I can't do it later. Then I have to use fly mod.
Just make it normal. Don't
Like I
include.
made last time.
Sure.
The one I made last time, that wasn't the cheap one. So
Not the cheap one.
yeah.
So you want the expensive one?
Yeah, I made an expensive one last time.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What?
1,
No.
2, 3,
No.
4, 5,
Oh.
6, 7, 8. What? 1,
No,
2,
it's sometimes
3,
just
4, 5,
lagging
6,
really
7.
bad.
Okay.
You said what?
Let's.
So you wanted me to tell you what I was talking about, and then you continue counting. Okay.
Okay, let's test the water. Crap.
Swerge. Oh, I don't have any more cobble. Oh, fuck.
Now let me see. Oh, I have to
Oh,
make it one more.
oh.
So the water floods 8.
I'm gonna cut down the winter wood thing.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die now.
Is it okay?
Okay, maybe not. I survived.
I cut down the tree now.
Okay.
The
Just don't
spruce
mind
tree.
the diamond and the redstone and the coal.
The diamond? What are you talking about?
The diamond behind the lava.
Matt.
What?
Not cool.
What?
Not cool.
What? Why? We made a let's play last time, so I know where everything is, so.
But I can't pick up anything. Well, I can't pick up this sapling.
Okay.
Why is it lagging? I get this big frame drops.
Okay.
Oh, there's cobweb here. Oh, didn't know that. Okay, I will not mind this coal and stuff. Why? Why the fucking lag?
Okay. Oh, it's getting night. Should we sleep?
Sure. No. Well, yeah. No. I know.
I think we should. I could spawn creepers and stuff and blow the place
I'm
up.
starting to lag really bad. What should I do?
Go sleep. I'm
Oh,
going down
should
now.
I get all the stuff in the chest? Huh?
What chest?
In the mine shaft.
Yeah, grab that.
Okay, I got melon seed, gunpowder, another gunpowder, gold ingot, 2 of them, iron pickaxe. Awesome.
Okay.
So that means if you screw it up and make seeds, you have another chance to not screw up.
Yep.
You.
Are you coming?
Oh, okay. I just started mining iron. I can mine the iron over here. Yeah. Oh. What? Oh, I might lose iron just because of that.
No, you can
What?
just run back.
Okay, the bed was, well, I don't know. Screw it up.
Now you can run back.
'Kay.
Oh, there's a lot of mobs
No.
up there.
I can't run because I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. Okay, so there's an Enderman there.
Crap.
Should I try to kill him? Yeah.
If you
Oh,
want.
crap. I barely have the cobble to fix that, so... Let's do this. Okay, I don't think I should try to
Oh
kill
my god.
him. Well, actually, I think I should.
Oh.
I have a chest on me, so
Oh
I can
shoot. No, 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 no. Oh my god, there's a creeper here.
I'm gonna try to
I
get.
killed him. I killed him.
I'm going to try to get him. Go on, go on, die, die, son of a bitch, die already. Oh, I didn't drop anything. Awesome.
Is there another creeper up there? Or
He didn't drop anything. Awesome. Damn it.
crap. Okay, I'll just flew up. Please don't.
Flew up. You mean fly up?
Oh my god. There's hundreds of creepers up there.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I saw, but I have no idea, 10 creepers. In one place.
Wow, that's so much. You gotta be careful, boy. There's no torches here.
Holy moly.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There's 2 creepers up here. And a lot of bones. And arrows.
Yup.
Stop following me, creeper.
What?
Oh my
there's
god.
a chunk arrow here. Oh?
No!
Hello.
Hello.
Chunk arrow.
Crap.
Wow, a really big one too.
Where are you? Oh my god, I thought I killed him.
Okay, I think I will relog.
Okay.
Yup. Oh, it works. Okay, so I'm gonna get this iron.
But you like when I'm saying that?
But oh, you like but?
Yeah. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Our rating is much appreciated. Remember to subscribe and all that stuff. So yeah.
Yup.
See you guys next time.
Download this map.
No, don't do that. Of
You
course you have to do.
do it now.
So yeah. Bye.
As we speak, you should do it now. Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.